Greetings, this is Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. Today, we're going to compare selling real estate to playing the game of baseball. Baseball is the great American pastime. There have been a lot of analogies about the game of baseball and life. Today, we will compare selling real estate to the game of baseball. In baseball, you are either playing offense, hitting the ball, or defense, being in the field. In order to succeed, you have to know how to do both, hitting and fielding. It's the same being a realtor. There are two types of real estate markets, a seller's market and a buyer's market. When there are low inventory levels, we are in a seller's market. Buyers will compete to buy your property. High inventory levels makes it a buyer's market. Buyers can ask for discounts. As a realtor, you have to know how to succeed in both a seller's and a buyer's market. For example, in a seller's market, when inventory levels are low, you need to prospect for listings, do mailers, or knock on doors. In a buyer's market, high inventory levels, you need to work social media, advertise on Google, or talk to investors in order to find buyers, or educate your sellers on how to price their property correctly. The successful realtor knows how to work both markets. They can adjust and make sales in both. Please view my other videos on farming or finding buyers on the internet for more tips and tricks. Well, that's it for my 2-minute tech tip. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We've been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com, and please remember to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thanks for listening to my 2-minute tech tip, and have a great day.